The cities of Los Alamitos and Seal Beach welcome you to the UWS 3rd of July Fireworks Spectacular held at the Los Alamitos Joint Forces Training Base. Thank you to our title sponsor, Universal Waste Systems. On behalf of the cities, the Joint Forces Training Base, and our sponsors, we salute all of the first responders and the military men, women, and their families for their service to our country. We are extremely grateful for your dedication. The Los Alamitos and Seal Beach City Council wishes everyone a happy and safe Independence Day.
Downtown, the young ones are going. Downtown, the young Chevrolet that don't always run and the radio never turns down. He's got a pedigree that's no good for nothing, no commas in his bank account. But there's a girl at the hole in the wall where it plays. Don't take her eyes off the stage, she loves it. Southern drawl from north of Atlanta. That Silverado we got parked outside loves him. Cranking 89 Alabama, kissing for an hour in the parking lot. Here's the good girls that can't keep from falling for bad boys that their daddies don't like. Small towns that keep staying small. Here's to old trucks, young love, and Saturday nights. Saturday nights. Yeah, Saturday nights. Young love and Saturday nights.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. Does that mean it's the soul? Move it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. Does that mean it's the soul? I can't relate to desperation. Might give a damn. Are on vacation. And I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling when they act this way. I know I got him. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and not perfume for you. Yes, I know I'm nothing to it for you. Yes, that morning coffee brewed for you. Yes, I'm touching up brand new for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. Does that mean it's the soul? Move it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. Does that mean it's the soul? Is it that sweet? I guess so. That's that me espresso.
Remember the time, baby. I ain't got no money. I ain't got no car to take you on a date. I can't even buy you flowers. But together we be the perfect soulmates. Talk to me, girl.
Baby, it's alright now, you ain't gotta flow for me. If we go, but you can still touch my love, it's free. We can work without the books, just you and me. Hug it out till we get it right. Baby, if it's true, we get it together like you're just the way you are.
Nobody's struggling like we can, you handle me the way you are.
I don't need the cheese and the cookies, boy, I like you just the way you are.
Let me see you struggle, you get it together like
Game start. 아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the 아파트 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 Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? Cause I'm coming to get you, get you. Hold on, I'm on my way.
what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Grown music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker soup game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT. It's hustling, chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crushing. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment.
From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston and New York to LA, where there's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and say that I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
The cities of Los Alamitos and Seal Beach, the Joint Forces Training Base, and our title sponsor, Universal Waste Systems, thank you for attending the Los Alamitos Seal Beach UWS 3rd of July Fireworks Spectacular. We wish you, your family, and our great nation a happy 4th of July.